Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Welcome to our troubleshooting guide for the Lenovo Legion 5. If your laptop isn't powering on, it may be due to a PCH short circuit affecting the TRES VCC line. Let's dive into the steps to diagnose and address this issue. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap, a wire. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and prevent any static damage. Begin by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial to ensure your safety while working on the device. Next, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. 2. Keep these screws organized, as they can vary in size. Once all the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, locate the motherboard. Inspect it for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt components or corrosion. If you notice any issues, it may indicate a deeper problem that requires professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, focus on the PCH area. Use a multimeter to check for continuity on the TRES VCC line. If you find a short circuit, this could be the reason your laptop won't power on. If you're unsure about how to use a multimeter, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. If the short circuit is confirmed, you may need to replace the affected components. This can be a delicate process, so ensure you have the right replacement parts. Before proceeding, it's wise to get a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. Once you have the necessary parts, carefully desolder the damaged component using a soldering iron. Make sure to clean the area with isopropyl alcohol to remove any residue. After that, solder the new component in place, ensuring a secure connection. After replacing the component, reassemble the laptop by reversing the steps taken earlier. Replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed. Reinsert the battery and connect the power supply. Finally, power on the laptop to see if the issue is resolved. If it powers on successfully, congratulations! You fixed the problem. If not, it may be time to consult with a professional technician. Remember, if you don't have the tools or expertise, we are here to help. Our services include professional diagnosis, without obligation, pickup and delivery at your home, and a quote before repair, ensuring you have a hassle-free experience. Thank you for following along, and good luck with your Lenovo Legion 5 troubleshooting. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.